What's a happening, everybody? Where has Diesel been? Let me tell you. Um, Being sick, it was the absolute worst. The absolute worst. I think I'm starting to come back to normal finally. It was even hard just shooting a video. It's crazy. But anyhow. So today I traded Plug and DCFC. It was a green day. This last week, I've lost over 1,500. It's been brutal. I've been on the wrong side. Went long when I should have been short, and this sideways action's killing me. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm gonna go over DCFC first. So on this stock, I was actually long in the 16s, selling into. I'm not exactly sure. Let me try something. Maybe this will pop up the trades. Okay, here we go. So I was 300 long at 1638. I sold. Let's see here. 1638, and then I was sold. Now I was up here. So I sold 1743 and 1746. Wow, So this was a really good trade, and then I tried to long again here, expecting this move to happen. It did happen. I just wasn't patient enough. I'm not a very patient long trader. But so I got long at 1638 with 300 shares, and I'm selling the 300 shares at 1743 and 1746. So I made over $1 a share on DCFC. And then right here, I got back in again, expecting this to pop. So I bought 200 shares, 1678 and 1672. And then I was out at 1657, 1645, so a little bit of a small loss here. But this is the move I was looking for when I was buying back in right here. So this was a really good trade. I'll show you the active trader. 269.32 I made on DCFC. So this was a really good trade. It was my whole thought was I haven't seen penny stocks really moving lately, and then when I seen this one squeezing, I thought obviously the momentum was to the long side, and it was, but now definitely have to see if it's to the short side. So that was that trade, and then on Plug, this is just the stock is just ripping me apart. So I'm actually glad I traded something different today. So if we look at this as sideways, I don't know why my mouse is being stupid, but this is this sideways action right here is just getting me. Today I tried to short up here, so I took a small loss on this, but this sideways just kills me. So I'll bring my graph over since I haven't did this in a while. Let's see. So we did we are at 28,356, and I'm back down to 26,885.41. Definitely taking some hits. But it is what it is. I actually, there's no excuse into it. But with being sick, it just wasn't my normal self. But it is what it is. And then DESA, I'll show you his. So this was his. What day was this? I don't remember if it was 2 days ago. I think it was 2 days ago. He lost 1,113. So he dropped back down to 30% of his share size. And then today, he had a green day, which is good. And then today he made 61.51. But now he can only trade 30% of his normal share size. So it's been a bloodbath with us. Yeah, it's definitely been a bloodbath. And I don't know if it's just from being sick or this sideways choppy action right here, but this is really just tore me up. This was a really good trade, but I'm thinking as long as the market keeps pushing higher, that plug is definitely coming into a lot of resistance. Usually I'm pretty good with the stock, knowing like which way it's going to go, but I definitely think it'll hit this 23.31. What it's going to do after that, I have no idea. So moving forward, yeah, I don't know what to say. I think I just got to slow down a little bit, get my thought process back together. I mean, I was almost at all-time highs, and then this sideways got me. Today on DCFC, I normally don't go long, so that was a really good trade. But yeah, it's just been a bloodbath for me anyhow. DESA's kind of feeling the same way. So today was nice to have a green day, but I definitely got to get either back my share size down. My average share size a day has been at least 1,000 shares. So yeah, I don't know. But I do want to keep the transparency. I do still want to keep the graph going. But yeah, I don't really have much else to say, except all you can do is move forward. But so until next time, traders, peace.